Welcome to the dynamic realm of computer hardware. In 2024, motherboards remain the cornerstone of every system, shaping performance and compatibility. From gaming to professional use, a plethora of motherboards caters to diverse needs. Let's explore the top 5, showcasing innovation and cutting-edge technology for the modern user. Before we go ahead, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more content. 1. GIGABYTE B650 AORUS Elite AX. Its price is $259. According to our reviews, it is best performance motherboard. Introducing the pinnacle of performance and reliability. The 200 Swords motherboard, backed by a robust 5-year warranty for your peace of mind. Crafted to support the next generation of computing, this motherboard is equipped with the latest AMD AM5 socket, ensuring seamless compatibility with AMD Ryzen 7000 series processors. Unlock the full potential of your system with DDR5 compatibility, featuring 4 DIMMs with AMD Expo and Intel XMP memory module support. The commanding power design boasts twin 14+2+1 phases with 70A power stage digital VRM solution and an 8-layer 2X copper PCB, delivering unparalleled stability and overclocking capabilities. Stay cool under pressure with our cutting-edge thermal design, including a 6mm heat pipe, fully covered MOSFET heatsinks, M.2 thermal guard, and PCIe Ultra durable armor. Experience lightning-fast connectivity with PCIe 5.0 and PCIe 5.0 NVMe X4 M.2 slots, along with front and rear USB-C ports for versatile connectivity options. Say goodbye to cumbersome installations with easy latch PCIe 5.0 and M.2 connectors, featuring a quick release and screwless design for hassle-free upgrades. Pros: powerful warranty assurance, cutting-edge compatibility guaranteed, effortless connectivity innovation. Cons: limited warranty coverage, compatibility concerns possible, connectivity issues potential. 2. ASRock X670E Taichi. Its price is $464. According to our reviews, it is best compatible motherboard. The CPU support for the AMD AM5 platform heralds a new era of performance with the Ryzen 7000 series processors. Offering cutting-edge computing power, these CPUs leverage the latest advancements in AMD's architecture to deliver exceptional speed and efficiency for a wide range of tasks, from gaming to content creation and beyond. With the AM5 socket, users can harness the full potential of these processors, ensuring seamless compatibility and optimal performance. Complementing the potent CPU lineup is the AMD X670 chipset, providing robust support and feature-rich connectivity options. This chipset empowers users to unlock the full capabilities of their systems, facilitating smooth operation and enhanced productivity. Memory capabilities are equally impressive, with support for dual-channel DDR5 memory across 4 slots, allowing for a maximum capacity of 128 GB. This ensures ample headroom for multitasking and resource-intensive applications, delivering a responsive computing experience. Expanding the system's versatility are 2 PCIe 5.0x16 slots, enabling high-speed data transfer for graphics cards and other expansion cards. Additionally, there's a vertical M.2 slot for accommodating ultra-fast NVMe SSDs, optimizing storage performance for demanding workloads. Integrated AMD RDNA 2 graphics offer a compelling solution for users who prioritize efficiency and space saving. Pros: enhanced CPU compatibility, efficient power management, effective heat dissipation. Cons: limited CPU compatibility, higher power consumption, potential heat issues. Number 3. ASUS ROG Strix Z790A. Its price is $329. According to our reviews, it is best budget motherboard. The Intel LGA 1700 socket emerges as a powerhouse, primed to usher in the next wave of computing prowess with its compatibility for Intel Core 13th Gen processors, alongside support for Core 12th Gen, Pentium Gold, and Celeron processors. This socket is engineered to cater to the demands of multi-core processors seamlessly. Efficient thermal management is ensured through massive heatsinks integrated with an I/O cover and high-conductivity thermal pads, all interconnected by an L-shaped heat pipe, optimizing VRM thermals for sustained performance. For storage enthusiasts, The LGA 1700 socket doesn't disappoint, offering ample M.2 support with one PCIe 4.0 M.2 slot equipped with a heatsink and backplate, accompanied by four PCIe 4.0 M.2 slots, each featuring heatsinks to keep temperatures in check during intense workloads. Connectivity options abound with USB ports boasting speeds of up to 20 gigabits per second, 10 gigabits per second, and 5 gigabits per second on the rear I/O, complemented by a front panel USB connector supporting PD 3.0 delivering up to 30 W of power. Furthermore, the inclusion of PCIe 5.0x16 safe slot, making the Intel LGA 1700 socket a cornerstone for cutting-edge computing experiences. Pros: powerful 16+1+2 configuration, efficient thermal management, abundant connectivity options. Cons: limited backward compatibility, high-end price tag, complex installation process. Number 4. MSI Mag B760 Tomahawk Wi-Fi DDR4. Its price is $155. According to our reviews, it is best high-performance motherboard. The cutting-edge motherboard proudly boasts compatibility with 12th and 13th generation Intel Core processors, Pentium Gold, and Celeron processors, ensuring unparalleled performance and flexibility. With support for DDR4 memory, users can harness speeds of up to 5333 plus OC MHz, unleashing the full potential of their system for seamless multitasking and resource-intensive applications. Its versatile design features 3 XKM PCIe/SATA slots and 1 XKE CNVI slot, offering ample connectivity options for various expansion cards and wireless modules. This adaptability allows users to tailor their system to their specific needs, whether for gaming, content creation, or professional tasks. For gamers and power users alike, the motherboard delivers a lightning-fast experience with a PCIe 5.0 slot, Lightning Gen 4 x 4 M.2, and USB 3.2 Gen 2x2 ports. These cutting-edge technologies ensure swift data transfer rates, minimal latency, and seamless connectivity, enhancing the overall user experience. Furthermore, the motherboard incorporates a premium thermal solution with an extended heatsink design and M.2 shield frozzer, effectively dissipating heat and maintaining optimal temperatures even during intense usage sessions. This ensures stable performance, prolongs component lifespan, and guarantees non-stop productivity. Pros: Intel Core compatibility, wireless integration capability, efficient thermal management. Cons: restricted CPU range, overclocking risks involved, connectivity limitations. 5. GIGABYTE Z590i AORUS Ultra. Its price is $399. According to our reviews, it is best compact-size motherboard. The motherboard boasts compatibility with both 11th and 10th Gen Intel Core series processors, ensuring optimal performance for a wide range of computing needs. With support for dual-channel non-ECC unbuffered DDR4 memory, featuring 2 DIMMs, users can experience enhanced multitasking capabilities and smoother overall system performance. Furthermore, the motherboard is Intel Optane memory ready, allowing for accelerated system responsiveness and faster data access. Its direct 10+1 phases digital VRM solution, equipped with 90A Smart Power Stage, ensures stable power delivery to the CPU, enhancing overclocking potential and system reliability. To address thermal concerns, the motherboard features innovative cooling solutions such as FinZarray 2 and a multi-layered PCH/M.2 heatsink with 2 heat pipes. These advanced cooling mechanisms effectively dissipate heat from critical components, ensuring sustained performance even under heavy workloads or overclocking scenarios. Pros: efficient power delivery, advanced cooling technology, versatile performance enhancement. Cons: limited RAM slots, potential compatibility issues, higher power consumption. Thanks for tuning in to our roundup of the top 5 motherboards in 2024. These boards offer cutting-edge features, unparalleled performance, and reliability for your PC build. Whether you're a gamer, content creator, or enthusiast, these motherboards provide the foundation for your ultimate computing experience. Happy building! If you enjoyed our video, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more content. Thank you.